guys, welcome to Ujjain, and we are on Mahakaleshwar temple. Not temple, we are on the area. Like here you can see it is spread till there I can say. और अब मैं कैसे दिखाऊं? मेरे पेरेंट्स उधर बैठे हैं. कहाँ है गायब है? ठीक है, okay. So I'm just chilling. Let's see the view. Bravo, so cool. I can see what is recording. I am okay. I'm just chilling and I just started recording because I have the phone. I don't know why I have phone in my pocket. Just see that island. See, like island school. And let's go there. I'll show you that where I am. Like I have to tell you, but here's the place. I'm just so tired. Just open all the buttons. Not all. See, here we are. You can see in my left side is Mahakaleshwar temple. In my right side there is entry gate known as Nandi Dwar. Okay, I just came to this side. There is nothing to show, so let's go. Let's go there where my parents are, because that side is kind of interesting. Now this is called Bheed. You know what Bheed is? I can't see my parents. I don't know why, but I can see. Now this is kind of interesting. The light of sun peeks throughout the clouds. Let's go there. That's interesting, kind of. I have to cut it all. Bheed, dodging the Bheed and Bheed. The photo session is going on, kind of photo session is going on, and my recording is going on. You can't see now. You can't see it because the light of sun peeks throughout the clouds. It's not visible. No, it's kind of visible. Okay, so let's go there. Please don't say to explain this kind of monument. It's like cool. See. This is my first time, by the way, in Mahakaleshwar. So I am also kind of, how can I show you this? I am out of the frame. रावण ने कैलाश पर्वत को उठा लिया. आगे की स्टोरी शायद कुछ लोग जानते भी होंगे, मैं भी जानता हूँ, लेकिन I don't want to explain that all history. That's all. There is only pound. This is not the river, by the way. It's a pound. Like, you can say pound only, because the river is kind of far from here. Yeah, we are just chilling here now. We'll go at the river at 5 o'clock. Okay, bye. Hello guys, welcome to Challenged Family. And I'm Lavit and we are in Mahakaleshwar temple. Not temple, but area. Mahakaleshwar area. And we are in Ujjain, but we live in like Kota. And the train to Kota is tonight for us. It's like on 7. But here's something interesting. The train is on 7. But we have checked out it on 9 morning. So we are just chilling in that area. You can just see I'm out of the frame now. Can you? No, you can't. You can. We are just chilling on this area. My parents are just chilling, I said. And I am here. I just exploring it. Yeah. So see, the photo session is going on, by the way. Local photo session. Ganesh ji, I am out of the frame again. Can you see? Yes, you can see. Let me go close. You can kind of see. Yeah, you can see. Here's Ganesh ji and here's Vishnu. Somebody is calling me. Nah, nobody is calling me. Yeah, so this is the Vishnu. Somebody was calling me. Where? Nobody. Bam. And here's the statue on the center. अरे मैं फ्रेम में क्यों आ जाता हूँ? Okay. Just see the pics on the Google. And it's kind of sunny. Not sunny, not too much. Here's the Shipra Nadi. Shipra River. I can see. Okay, leave it. Just see the pics on Google. Just search Ujjain Mahakaleshwar temple. We have came from that. It's not visible. Leave it. It's sunny because it's sunny, so it's not visible to there. Nah, it's not. Leave it. I'm going to that area because it's not too much sunny. So much sunny. I am not visible. Bruh. It's cool. Now it's kind of cool. It was so sunny outside. See my face? I'm red as tomato. Okay. This is kind of not pleasant. Where's my parents? Bruh, where's my parents? Okay, leave them. I'll chill myself. Seriously. It's sunny, then it's cloudy. It's sunny, then it's cloudy. Let me go. Let's go there. There are more statues. Wait 1 second. I can't see what I am recording. I hope my face is recording. I don't know. Can you see? I'm out of the frame. That's a Kaira Shikhar, home of pigeon. Because they are only pigeons, I can see clearly because it's so sunny. I can't look up. So, okay, here's kind of something interesting. Let's go fast. I can't see I'm recording or not. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now that's something really cool. It's visible? No, it's not. It's so cool. Just so cool. Okay, that's all. We are in this area, so I can show, like, on that side it is so big. It is so big. We are on like entry side. We are on Nandi Dwar. On that side there's Nandi Dwar, like there I think. So we are on entry Dwar, entry gate. But the main point is on this. There where's the main Mahakaleshwar temple. They are all temples. Just it is just area so we can explore, we can enjoy. So it's all for today. Thank you.